Thank you for purchasing the iGo Zenith Pro. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and also to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your iGo Zenith Pro should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. To open the box, carefully cut the tape and any straps with a knife or a pair of scissors. We will now show you how to safely remove your scooter from the box. Start by removing excess packaging, then lift out the seat and set it to one side. Remove any remaining smaller components and set them aside too. Strip away the cardboard layer and all wrapping protecting the power chair body. The power chair's wheels, motor and batteries are all here in a single component. We advise you to not attempt to lift this out unless you have assistance, as it is quite heavy. Instead, carefully cut the side of the box to open it up. Then, with the chair in freewheel mode, push the chair out manually. You are now ready to assemble this product. Packaged with the battery charger, you should find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains vital information on the assembly and use of this product. Uncoil the cable wrapped around the seat post. Then, loosen and remove the two knobs that secure the shroud to the base of the power wheelchair. Lower the footplate, then lift up the shroud to remove it. Next, unscrew and remove the battery cover. Ensure both battery connectors are connected to the main cable. The battery connectors are red and black and should connect to the matching colour harness from the main cable. Once connected, put the battery cover back into place and make sure it's screwed in securely. With the shrouding back in place and the controller cable sticking through the gap in the centre, you are now ready to add the seat. First, remove the rubber stop on the underside of the seat, then drop the seat onto the post. You should be able to swivel the seat from side to side using the handle underneath. Now fit the headrest to the top of the seat by inserting the headrest posts into the holes in the top. Now you can attach the armrests by inserting them into the attachment points in the seat frame, with the armrests facing forward. Tighten the included star knobs to lock the armrests into place at your preferred width. You can adjust the height by twisting the small dials on the back of the armrests. Next, insert the controller into the casing under the armrest. Tighten the star knob on the underside to secure it at a comfortable reach. Now connect the controller cable to the connection point, using the Velcro strap on the armrest to reduce the slack. If the controller emits a flashing red light when the product is switched on, the power chair's motor may be disconnected. Make sure it's in drive mode for automatic use. A green light will appear when the chair is ready for use. Your product is now fully assembled. Please keep all your packaging safe and in the dry, just in case you wish to return the item. If you'd like any more details, have a look at careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.